In this video, you will learn how to enable Contact Form 7 text field into a date picker, time picker, or date time picker by using CSS class. After installing the plugin, you just need to add the necessary CSS class to the Contact Form 7 CSS Classes editor. You can copy short codes from the plugin page. I will leave the plugin link in the video description. Follow my steps. Refresh the page and check now all newly added fields are showing. Now I am adding the mail tags in email template. Thanks for watching. Please leave comment if you have any confusion or questions. Subscribe for videos. Stay blessed.